Hello, welcome back. This is a little recap, a little review, an updated review on ProsperityFX. Now, there is not the full conclusion, but here's kind of like the midway point of what's going on. So with Prosperity, I have gotten into my old account and they show you how to do this through here. And they've actually like morphed into EnviFX, so now they're Envi. But I did actually get my funds, and but not all of them. So I initially had about $500 or $600 in that account. It grew to about $3,000. Not trying to brag, you know, I've blown up accounts, taken them to $0. So this one just happened to be the one that grew, and I got, I requested $500 out of them, and I got that $500 out of the approximately $3,000. So I was able to make a withdrawal with Prosperity, which is now EnviFX. However, I went to get the additional like $2,500 on December 14th. So this is about 3 weeks ago, and they have not given me that money. So all my gains I haven't been able to get. I've emailed them, and you know, a couple days later, or like 4 or 5 days later, they respond with, well, go to our online chat and request help there. And it's like, why? You're the email. The only thing you really have is an email address to contact you at. So why can't you help me through email? That's just the dumbest thing ever. Okay, so that's a major problem with them. Another major problem with EnviFX is the time that it's taken. I mean, besides it's taken 3 weeks to not get my money, now their email times are like almost 4 or 5 days in between a single email. So that's terrible response time. Another thing with them, I'll show you here on my Awanda demo account. I have an EA. I have a trade copy, a fast copy EA, and I have to log into my MQL5 community through the MT4 platform to trade with that. And the weird thing with ProsperityFX is, well, now it's Envi, okay, this is actually taken over my whole computer and has banned me out, locked me out of the MQL5 community. So I think what's happened is EnviFX is banned and prohibited. They've been blacklisted or something. And now I had to reformat my computer, and it took me like 2 or 3 times to figure out what was going on, because when I went to CoinEx, EagleFX, FX Glory, all these other brokerages, they allowed me to log in and stuff. But when I went in and logged in with Prosperity, it kind of blacklisted my computer, and I couldn't access that until I reformatted my computer. I had to do that twice until I figured out what was going on. And I think it was Prosperity has been blacklisted. So I don't trust this company. They're not giving my money in a timely manner. They may never, but it is kind of relieving to know that I got out what I put in approximately. So if you do have an EnviFX account, you know, go to their YouTube channel and check out their videos on how to do that. And if you had an old Prosperity that went to EnviFX, you'll have to do it that way. But it's just really shady, really weird. And also, I can't even access my EnviFX.fx.com website through my router, because it does this, and it says I literally have to go to the library to access their site. So, you know, it's very shady, very questionable. I don't like it. I wouldn't be trading with EnviFX at all, and I would not be adding any money. So that's just my recommendation there. And here's a little screenshot I took when I was at the library. I've blanked out some of my personal information, but my wallet balance is now $2,500. Who knows if I can ever get that money? And I could go in there and trade with it, but can I withdraw it? That's the important part. So at this point, no. But if they do eventually get me my money that's in my account, I will post an update. But for now, they are a scam. They are very highly questionable, and I would not be trading with EnviFX at all. I'll post a future update if it comes available, if anything else happens. All right, have a good one.